In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Live on the desktop web version. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting started with Gemini Live. First things first, you want to open your Chrome browser. Just go ahead and double-click on the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your Applications folder. Once that's open, we're ready to move on to the next step. As you have your Chrome browser running, you'll need to look for the integrated feature called Ask Gemini. You should see that option pop up on your screen. Just take a moment to locate it. It's usually found on the toolbar. This feature will allow you to engage directly with Gemini without needing to navigate away from your current page. Once you've found that, hover your mouse over the option, which is typically located at the bottom right of the Gemini pop-up window. You should see a button that says Go Live. This button is essential, as it initiates the live features of Gemini that we're going to explore. Before you proceed, it's crucial to read through all the terms and conditions that appear if you're using the live feature for the very first time. This step can be easily overlooked, but taking the time to understand the terms can save you from any unexpected situations down the line. Make sure you're clear on what you're agreeing to before hitting any confirmation buttons. Now that you've gone through the terms and conditions, we can move on to customizing your experience. You'll want to select the type of voice you want Gemini to use while it assists you. You can do this by scrolling through the available options or by clicking on the three dots usually located at the top of the voice selection area. Take your time to choose a voice that you find pleasant and easy to understand. This will enhance your interaction with Gemini. Once you've settled on a voice, the next step is very exciting. We are getting to the point where your current tab will be shared with Gemini. This means that Gemini will help you with everything you need as you navigate through your tasks. Imagine how efficient this will make your workflow. You'll have assistance readily available, tailored to whatever you're currently working on. At this point, you should be seeing Gemini interact with the content in your tab. Whether you are working on a document, research, or browsing the web for information, Gemini will be right there to provide guidance, suggestions, or even detailed answers to your queries in real time. Feel free to ask Gemini specific questions or for help with tasks related to what you're currently doing. Don't hesitate to give it a try. You might ask it to summarize something on your screen, provide definitions, or help draft your next email. And remember, using Gemini Live effectively can greatly enhance your productivity. The more you engage with it, the better it will adapt to your preferences and needs. To wrap up, that's it. You've now learned how to use Gemini Live on the desktop web version. From opening your Chrome browser to sharing your current tab and interacting with Gemini, you are all set to take full advantage of this powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and happy interacting with Gemini.